Right people, today we're going to be using some guttering, L-shaped steel brackets and a chunk of, I think that's 3mm steel, because today we're going to be making the vanes for the ceiling fan wind turbine. Okay? Wrong! There you are people, the modification. That's just a magnet with rust on it, that's all that is. And all it is, people, is a piece of metal, one magnet, focus, thank you, and another piece of metal. And that's all it is, and it makes the magnet a lot stronger. Now, I didn't think of this idea. I got it off the only person that I know that did it, but he did it with microwave ceramic magnets, and that was Poroldchap. I'll put his link below, and you go over there. He's got a lot of down-to-earth ideas that nobody would think about, and it's great, because I have now only got a third of the magnets, no hang on, half the magnets, just one magnet over half the magnets that I had in originally, which was 30. These are 16, and nothing special at all. That is how you can make a magnet stronger, because as you saw from the iron filings clip, that it elongates the magnetic field and squashes it side to side, and it's absolutely amazing. You've seen the results. I'm sorry I can't show you the current, but as I explained, my shoulder isn't up to swinging it that hard because I'm trying to do it against a short circuit. But once we get it up and we have some decent wind, then we can measure the current. But I anticipate from my initial experiments with just a couple of magnets in that I'm going to be well over an amp, if not higher. So there you are people, the secret is out. You can see that I'm putting wooden segments in between the magnets to stop them moving sideways. They're being glued in with bog standard all-purpose glue, and I haven't got very many left to do. Okay, there are people, all the magnets and wooden spacers are in place, all glued in, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill the 4 fixtures. So I'm putting a small pilot hole through first. Right, I've shown how to do it. I'll do the rest, then I'll bring you back when I do the big one. I'm going to use the final size. There we go. So I got piece stuck. There we go. I'll do the others. And we'll be this is a standard lamp with one of my bulbs in. Now these bulbs, two of these take about 1.46 amps. So we're looking at around 700 milliamps to light this one. So let's give it a go, see what happens. So, I mean, with me being able to flick this and light the LEDs, and I'm hardly moving it. That's about 700 milliamps. Let's see if I can. There you go. I'll do you. And I'm not, I mean that's obviously pulsing because I'm not going fast enough, but current wise I'm obviously producing a fair bit just on that alone, so I'm quite chuffed with that, so I shan't have any problems charging my bank from this of lipos.